Today we're going to talk about how to remove a stuck bolt or screw in a carburetor. I just got this single carburetor through the mail today. A customer wants me to rebuild it, so I'm going to hopefully get this done today, tomorrow, and get this shipped out in the next 2 days. Right now, as you can see, there's one screw that is not coming loose. Now there are a couple options that we can do right now. So the first option that people often say is use an impact driver. So what this impact driver does is you put it right on top here and you hit it with a hammer really hard. An impact driver not only twists, but it digs in while it twists. And many people believe that is going to get the job done. It should, but you don't want to do that right away. And here's why. If you start pounding right away, you run the risk of damaging the body of the carburetor, whether cracking it or breaking the screw altogether. So the first option that I would suggest is taking a pair of vice grips. Can't get a good grip. I will have to go to the impact driver for this one. A couple hits will dislodge the screw.